This week on Tiny Hands. What's going on?
The TV's not working.
I just got a brand new toolkit and this sounds like the perfect opportunity.
Please don't.
Morgan doesn't have any faith in me, but today things change. Yeah, just as I suspected. Broken. Need the hammer next. It definitely goes here. I am parched after all that hard work fixing the TV.
You literally did nothing.
Well, maybe if I just hit it with the hammer a few more times. Look, it's showing colors now. I fixed it. Ta-da! Are you crying? Are those tears of joy? I knew I could restore Morgan's faith in me today. I just knew.